Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Jam Tours, and I'm here, family, at the new location, Brand Jam Reggae Bistro. We're about to launch, and we're gonna have something special for Father's Day. So I'm actually here, family, and I have some very great news for you. I'm actually with my friend, my brother from Mombasa, real estate tycoon down there in Mombasa. And I really wanted to share some amazing information with you guys, to let you guys know. I know we come from the island Jamaica, and when we come to Africa, you might still want that feel. So, I just want to help you and put you into a trustworthy ecosystem so you won't get scammed, family. So I'm here with my brother from Mombasa, and he's a real estate developer, and he's telling me some important information about owning property, beachfront property and stuff. And I was so excited to share this with you. I have to just say, let's create a video, because the information that you're giving me right now, I know a lot of you subscribers need this information. So take it away, my brother.
Hi, family. My name is Rajab Hatibu from Mombasa, I'm a realtor. And it's my first time actually meeting my brother from Jamaica. Thank you very much for hosting us.
Yeah, man.
So basically, our meeting is about the different kind of projects that we're doing down in Mombasa. We have other projects in Nairobi as well, but based in Mombasa. So what we do is we develop properties, apartments, beach apartments. So right now we have 3 projects ongoing. 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom apartments. Off plan. The 2 of them, one is on the 4th floor, we're going up to the 12th floor, and then the second one we are on the 7th floor. We have 2 in that. The second, we have 2 blocks. So one block is basically done, and then the second block we're doing the foundation right now. So I'll also share the pictures and videos, the progress of the progress of the whole projects, basically. So the 3 bedrooms, you want me to tell them the prices?
Yeah, man, of course.
3 bedrooms, 18 million. But then the 18 million is right now, because when we get to 50%, the price will, of course, go up.
Yeah.
Okay. Even when you get to the 6th floor, every floor the prices tend to change.
Yeah.
But if somebody pays for the project right now, the 3-bedroom is 18 million.
Yeah.
So what you do, you pay 20-30% down payment, then the remaining balance 70 to 80% you're supposed to pay it within 2 years.
Yeah.
So you don't have to pay it monthly, you can pay it quarterly.
Okay,
and
perfect.
even if the 2 years is not enough for you, we can even extend. We can give you 3 years maximum, but we try to avoid the 3 years because the project will be done by then.
By then,
we want to do another project. So 2 years is comfortable, but then people actually request for more time, and it's okay, it's fine. We are all human beings, we're not the same.
Yeah.
And then the second project, the first block is done. The second block, we're starting the second block. The prices are 3-bedroom is 15 million. Okay. Down payments 20-25%.
2 years to pay.
2 years to pay. And then 3-bedroom, 2-bedroom is 9 million. Of course, payment period is 20% and then 2 years. Okay. And then the other one, the one that is near the beach, the 2-bedroom is 10 million right now. Okay, so I'll share videos and images as well.
Yeah, and I want to add them to this video so people can see what is happening.
You can see what is really going on and the progress and how we started until where we are right now. So basically that's just the summary. Then I'll share with you all the information. Then you can share with the rest of the family.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right, family. So, you guys hear the good news when you come on to Beachfront and living in Mombasa on the beach. You guys get the information you need. So you can link up with Jam Tours, and I can pass you on to my brother. And, we can get you a beachfront home, apartment, for such a small price. Plus, you have a payment plan of 2 years, family. So I don't think you can beat this and get an apartment on the beachfront anywhere in the world, family. So, as you know, we're having this event with the band. So I want you guys to come there with your booth and stuff set up because our diaspora people need this. As you know, guys, Jam Tours is the brand ambassador for Diamond Trust Bank. We're having a big event on the 7th of September. And and we want to invite you to come and actually get connected with this ecosystem. As you know, when you come to Africa, you come with money to invest, and you don't come to lose, you come to win. So we want to put you in the right people's hands to take care of everything that you need, family. So, hope you enjoy this video, and go like, share, and comment on this video. Anything else you want to say to the people there?
Just wait for the pictures
and stuff.
Everything, and share everything.
Okay, so let's say somebody want to buy online. Can they buy overseas from you guys?
Yeah, of course. We also connect you with the bank.
The bank, okay.
Yeah, if they want to pay through the bank, we'll give them everything.
Okay,
we'll give
perfect.
you everything. But then one thing they have to know, they have to have a KRA pin.
Yeah, okay.
I think that one you know.
Yes, I know. I can help them to get that.
For you to buy a property, you need to have a KRA pin. That's all we need from you.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
So you guys here, guys, in the diaspora.
We'll give you a lawyer. We'll give you a lawyer's contact as well. You can talk to the lawyer one-on-one. You can ask the lawyer whatever questions you have.
Yeah.
For you to actually just be comfortable. We don't want you to send money straight to us.
Yeah.
Talk to the lawyer first, then talk to the bank as well. So everything to be seamless.
So you guys give a sales agreement and all of
everything,
that?
Everything. Offer letter. We'll give you first offer letter.
Okay.
You have to sign it. Then once you pay the down payment, that's when we give you the agreement.
The agreement.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah. So, but then I will share with you the draft of the agreement, so people can go through.
Yeah.
So
perfect.
if anybody has a question regarding the agreement and everything, they can always ask. Yeah.
Perfect.
And then even the agreement, when you send it to you, we send it to you as a draft. So it's a draft Word document. You can always edit it.
Okay, perfect.
And then make it as comfortable as possible. Okay, yeah. So basically, that's just it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if you're out there in the diaspora, I know a lot of Kenyans, is in the States, Canada, and UK. This is something you can happen. And guys, have an apartment on the island side of Kenya, Mombasa, You know what I mean? You can reap the real rewards in real estate, in Airbnbs and renting out the apartment. People come to Mombasa a lot. It's just like Jamaica. So, you know what I mean? So this is a great investment if you can, you know, get something like this.
To add to it, like Mombasa is like, I think, Jamaica?
Yes,
Kingston?
yes.
I don't know,
No, it's
Kingston
like Ochiris or Montego Bay.
Yeah, because and then I'll also share with you an investor guide, how much you can get with an Airbnb if you rent it out. Like you can even rent the apartment out, and you have like monthly income that will help you pay the apartment. Yeah. So I'll share with that one as well with you, so that you can also share that with the family.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, family. As I was saying that, you know, a lot of diaspora outside there in Kenya want to come back home. So this would be a great, you know what I mean, way to actually turn something in an asset and have your money working for you. So, you know, you can actually give yourself a goal and you can get a few of these apartments and set up yourself nice. So when you come back to Kenya, you don't have to struggle, family. You know, you have something set up. So this is Jam Tours, you know, from the restaurant, Brand Jam Reggae Bistro. You know what I mean? This is the new location, family. So make sure you come out this Sunday, you know what I mean, at Brand Jam Reggae Bistro in Lavington, Gitanga Road. So I'm out. One love. God bless Jamaica. Yeah, family. This is my first meal at the new restaurant. A lot of Jamaicans. Yeah, in Kenya, yeah. Yeah, many. Yeah, family. So I'm here at the new restaurant called Brand Jam Reggae Bistro. And I'm actually having my first meal, family. And I have my two business partner with me right here.
It looks very delicious.
Yeah, so, you know what I mean? We're having fish today. And I can't wait to dig in this. Did I order chapati? Never ordered a chapati. But you can get me some. Yeah, family. So, you know, this is a new spot. And I'm enjoying the food for the first time. So, you know what I mean? When you come onto a restaurant, you know, it has to have different features. And with this restaurant, we have so many features. You can come, you can have a business meeting like what we're doing right here. You come, you can eat Jamaican food, and you can also have local food. When you come, if you want to be on the dance floor, we have a DJ. If you want to drink from the bar, we have a bar, family. So, you know what I mean? If you want to have like a small event, you can.